DJ Messina here, DREC, at our Garden Grove project, and it's moving along at rocket speed. We got all our excavation done. We got all of our underground plumbing done that goes underneath our footing. We got most of our gravel installed. We're starting on the rebar. Again, as I spoke before, number 4 rebar. And then there'll be dolbies, which are little cement blocks that go underneath here and raise it up. And then we'll also be putting a 2-inch layer of sand in between the whip screen, the plastic, which is a vapor barrier, and the rebar, so we don't have to pour as much concrete. My lead over here just told me we're going to be pouring about 35 yards of concrete. That's a lot of concrete, but this is a big ADU. Like I spoke in the past, 1,079 square feet. Yes, as you can see, big ADU. But we're a week into this project. Everything's been excavated. And now, like I said, we're doing the rebar. It is Friday, the day before Christmas Eve. So, nice Christmas present for our clients. So please hit like and subscribe. Please give us a call with any questions. 800-929-9812. And Merry Christmas, y'all.